I'll be singing Big Girls Don't Cry. I hope you like. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Na 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 na. The smell of your skin on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter, my own protection, baby. To be with myself in centered clarity, peace, serenity now. I hope you know, I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. And I'm gonna make it so tonight. And I got some saving up to do now. And I'm gonna miss you like a child misses their mother. But I got to get on with my life. It's time to be a big girl now. And big girls don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. I need some shelter, my own protection, baby. The path that I'm walking in, I must go alone. I must take the baby steps back to my hometown. So I'm full grown, full grown. I hope you know, I hope you know. Fairy tales don't always have a happy ending, do they? And I foresee the dark ahead if I stay. I hope you know, I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. It's all to be a big girl now. And big girls don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.